This is a personal process, and I want you to word vomit all the internal negative dialogue or beliefs or stories that you have in relation to your intention. And you're going to purge this energy into some sort of a container. So you can literally get like a physical bucket or a physical paper bag or plastic bag if you want to have the physical representation. Personally, myself, what I'm going to do and what you can simply do is purge it into your quantum black hole bucket. Right? A quantum black hole. So a quantum black hole is literally that. It's a black hole that is there for the purposes solely of swallowing whole your shitty, negative chitter chatter and beliefs and stories. It's literally saying, please feed me. I'm hungry. Give me your density. Feed me your bullshit. I'm hungry for it. So here's how you do it. Step 1. I want you to see your quantum black hole in front of you. And let's say I have a desire to launch the Next Love Wins concert in Melbourne, and I want to do it next year in March. And I want to manifest 500 people at this event, right? And now I'm going to purge all of my chitter chatter and my stories and any belief that tells me this is insane, that this is unrealistic. So here goes. Right? I've just purged it all out. So step 2, and I can already feel so much more in alignment with my intention. So step 2 is literally to see this energy, this chitter chatter, these stories, and seeing them being sucked into the black hole. Completely transmuted, gone, sucked in, forever transmuted. And now if you have a paper bag, you can literally pop it, you can explode it. If you have a bucket, you can literally pour it out and tip it into your own personal quantum black hole. And that's it. It's done. We're forever transmuted. All the reasons, all the resistance that was attached to your intention. Powerful, right? Quantum manifestation, baby.